Every year, the Gondwana Care Trust runs the Christmas Bag Project. These bags, which contain stationery and a few other treats, are donated to vulnerable children across the country at the end of each year. We had the opportunity to meet with Jeannie Visser from the Care Trust to tell us more about the initiative.
My name is Jeannie Visser and I've been with Gondwana Collection for over 15 years now. My role in the collection is I look after the Gondwana Care Trust, which is very close to my heart. I've been doing that for a bit more than 10 years now. The Christmas Bag Project has been running for about 5-6 years. And what we do is we provide a Christmas bag for a child in need somewhere in Namibia. Basically, we have a Christmas bag such as this one, with a stationery set in it, so the child's got the basic necessary to start school. And then we include a toy, of course, because it's Christmas, some sweets, and it is personalized for each child. Thanks to a lot of our sponsors, business partner, Nanning Mill, Global United, Seawork, Sea Pride, we were able to add a kilo of instant porridge, a tin of fish, and we're adding also a basic hygienic set for the teenagers, which is a roll-on, toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, and some body cream. So the child this year, when he goes home, he's got not only a Christmas bag to have for Christmas, but to share a meal with his family. The school has selected during the year. So the principal or the teachers or the caretaker of the orphanage, the special center, will send us a detailed list of the children. So each bag will have the name of the child on the bag, a small note inside the bag on a book, for instance, and we send the package to the lodge that is nearest to the school or the hostel or the orphanage. And at a specific date, they will have either an award ceremony or a Christmas party, and the bag will be handed to the child. We're always in need of funds, of donation. If you can assist us, especially with toys, sweets, and the hygienic basic set. Anything that we can add in a bag to please a child or a teen, so we can put a big smile on their face for Christmas. So last year we did 1,000 bags, so this year the objective is 2,000 bags. So I thank you very much for all the support already, everybody that participates, one way or another. In every small way, we can make it bigger together and we can really please a child at the end of the year when they went all year round to school and have a meal also with their family. So thank you so much.
Want to get involved? Simply visit our website, Gondwana-Collection, for more information.